Hi everybody, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I am here today and I am excited because I'm going to do a giveaway today. That's right. So it is early Sunday morning and I'm fixing to do another Margarete Miller video. However, I want to get this done. So we are going to randomly choose from the largest video that I've put out for the Margarete Miller. I'm going to go in and I'm going to choose which one has the largest comments so that more of you have a chance to win. And I will pull that, do the random picker, and this is what it will be for this giveaway. A $50 Amazon gift card. Now, I know some of you do watch and some of you are international. Unfortunately, Amazon, if I buy a gift card, you have to use it in US dollars, and that can promote a problem across borders, especially if you try to use it on a different Amazon site like UK or whatever. So anyway, it will, so if I do pull your name and you are international, if you can do one of two things, please reach out to me and let me know. I will try and get some info from you, and if I can, ship you something kind of as a replacement, kind of a thank you anyway. But if you are, please make sure that you get a hold of me like by, see, today is Sunday, by Wednesday 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, Central. So I think that's the 20th of October by 4 p.m. If I do not hear from you by then, whoever the winner is, I will go ahead and pick another random name from that video that we originally did. But this one I'm going to take from the top, the most amount of videos or comments on there. I may do some other random ones later that could be either more or less gift card, just depends. It'll probably be Amazon or an Etsy, possibly might throw an Etsy one in there somewhere. And so keep watching those videos, guys, and leaving comments, because that's how the comment picker picks. It picks based on not who watched, but who leaves comments. So make sure you leave in a comment, even if it's just to say hello. That's fine too, you know. But give yourself a chance to win, because next time it may not be based upon comments. It might be based upon, I don't know, I might pull a number out of a bag, and that's the video number for that week or something like that. Who knows? So I just want it to try and be as random and as fair as possible. So let's go ahead and move on over to the computer and randomly choose a winner, okay?
Okay, everyone, so I've already got the comment picker pulled up for YouTube, and here is my channel, Wondubar Crafts. So let's take a look. I want to pick a video that has a fairly good amount of comments. Here's one that's 12, one that's 14. Oh, here we go, 20. That looks like that's the week one, very first week when I came back. So let's copy this link and come over here and paste it. And we want to filter duplicate users and include replies. So get our comments. We have 11 unique comments there because some of them are repeat comments. That's why it shows 20, and these are all, they filtered out all of the duplicates here. So we have 11. So let's see who's going to be the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card. Like I said, this is only for US so that I can, sorry, my headset I think is cutting out. So I can get that emailed to you, because I will email you gift card. I'll email that gift card. Sorry, my headset. Actually, it's my son's headset. Something is going on with the cord. I think it keeps cutting out. My apologies. So keep your eyes out, guys, because I'm probably going to do a couple more surprise ones. And we will, I don't know. Who knows? I might have another one today. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But I may do one in another day, actually, to kind of, so you guys have a fair warning that it's coming, or at least kind of know that it may be coming soon. So just keep your eyes out. I will be doing different denominations. Today was a $50 Amazon gift card. Who knows? Could be more, could be less. You don't know. So keep commenting. Keep watching those videos. Keep commenting. And we will see you in the next video. Plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys.